So the ISPE Europe Annual Conference is a great venue. It's very international. You get people from all over Europe and you get regulators from all over Europe. So it's a unique blend that you wouldn't get anywhere else.
The theme for the European Annual Meeting 2020 will be the roadmap to success. What does it mean? So normally the European Annual Meeting has an executive forum which is focusing more to the top management, and in addition to that there's a 2 days conference full of 4 tracks dealing with all the quality, Pharma 4.0 aspects, the facilities of the future, and of course we are dealing with all the quality and regulatory aspects.
My top reasons to attend the European Annual Conference is getting an update on the European landscape, really, what's going on with pharma, what's going on with biopharmaceuticals. So this is really the top priority for me to go.
It's a great place to network and to get up to speed in technical aspects of your profession. Secondly, I find that it's very refreshing to see how different organizations find different solutions for the same problem, and that for me is very valuable.
It is really the opportunity to meet high-quality speakers.
The excellence of the presentations and the technical content is also very valuable for me.
And it's great discussions and great education sessions.
After the conferences, you feel you're up to date with what's important in industry. It makes a great difference.
If you work in this industry and you want to know what's going on, what are the trends, and maybe has anyone else already figured out a solution, then this is the right place to be.
So I hope that you will join me at the 2020 Annual Meeting in Madrid and hope to see you there.